Hello guys, good morning. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. As you all know, I'm Dr. Joseph or Mr. Explicit. Please, as you are watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment so that when I upload the new content, you'll be notified by YouTube. Alright. So I told you in our previous class that we are going to be starting from the scratch based on every science subject: introduction to physics, introduction to chemistry, biology, and mathematics. All right, if you are saying I don't know chemistry, I don't know mathematics, I don't know biology, fine. So we decided to start from scratch. So which means just try to always follow us, all right, so that you don't be lagging behind. And that is why it is important to subscribe so that when a new video is uploaded, you'll be notified by YouTube immediately. In our previous class, we treated passive movement, tactic, tropic, and Nastic movement. I used a diagram to explain those three terms. So in today's class, I'll be using these questions to actually scrutinize the level or how much you understood the topic. The first one says the root of plant is dash. Looking at what we have here is, if this was to be your Jamb, your UTME question, what will you do? Will you click next or you look and click? All right, so this is what we have here. We all know that the roots of plants grow downwards. All right, downwards towards gravity. All right, towards gravity, right? So positive geotropic. That is what the answer. It's growing towards gravity downwards. It is never negative chemotropic, because in the soil region you have some chemical substances, so it is bending towards it is positive, but this one is saying negative, so it's wrong. Negative hydrotropic, God forbid, because in the soil region you have water. The roots will definitely bend towards water, alright? Except in an experiment, or if you were given a diagram such as this, maybe you have like this, and it was illustrated like this, that the roots were found bending away. That would be a different case entirely. But without a diagram and you are asking this kind of question, please do it like it's always what? Positive geotropic. The root of plants is never positive phototropic, because it is bending away from sunlight now. Light not the inside soil, okay? So it is bending away from what? Sunlight. So this is what? Negative phototropic. But we have here positive phototropic. Therefore, these are odd. C becomes the right answer. Now we are also using the options in question 1 to answer question 2. The shoot of plants is dash. Okay, the shoot of plant is dash, except the shoot of plants is dash, except one. Let me put it, except one. I'm using this option, right? Now the shoot of plant is always growing towards sunlight, or what? Photosynthesis, right? So that means it's what? Positive phototropic. It is very correct. The shoot of plants is always growing, like it's growing away from water, from the soil. It's growing upwards. All right, it is growing upwards. It's growing from water, so it becomes a negative hydrotropism. Very correct. The shoot is also growing away from the soil, all right, where you have some chemical substances. So it is also what? Negative chemotropic. So the odd one here becomes what? Positive geotropic. So the answer to number 2 question is what? C, positive geotropic. All right, because since it's growing upwards, it is against gravity, right? It will have a negative geotropic, but they said positive, so C is the answer. We are using the same one to, okay, if you don't, okay, the leaves of green plants is always positive phototropic. The leaves of plants are always, that is green plant to be specific, because only green plant are photosynthesized, all right? The leaves of green plants are positive phototropic, all right? They are also negative hydrotropic, because up. Okay, is it negative chemotropic now? Yeah, negative chemotropic. So the answer to this question is this, and what? This. The three of them are very, very Correct. Okay. Now number 4 is the movement of cyanobacteria towards chemical is called positive chemotropism. So this is moving towards chemical, all right? Positive chemotropism. Positive chemotropism, all right? Mimosa plant exhibits what type of movement? Nastic movement. I told us in our previous class that mimosa plants, otherwise called Mimosa pudica, exhibits what? Nastic movement. The next one, a type of non-directional movement in which a part of a plant, whenever you see this word, a part of a plant, take your mind to what? Tropic movement. Tropic movement. A type of non-directional movement that is neither positive nor negative. Whenever you see this idiot, you take your mind towards a Nastic movement. All right. Number 8, a type of directional movement in which the whole part of an organism, that is the whole part of an organism, move in response to a given stimulus is static movement or statism. So the answer is what? C. Number 9, response to tendril is always thigmotropism. So the answer is what? D. You see, so if you can understand, if just listen to the previous video, you will do better than this. Okay. Number 10, number 10, dash is used to measure response to gravity. Dash is used to measure response to gravity. I told you that the instrument used to measure response to gravity is called what? Clinostat. Clinostat. I told us in our previous class. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Please, if you know you have learned something in today's video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Do have a wonderful day.